Is Java fully object oriented? I will personally feel Java is not fully object oriented, guys, because there is an have a primitive data types. Let's go and have a look, and we'll discuss in more in detail about this in video. Understand about the why Java is not fully object oriented, why they are considering as a Java is an object oriented. There are plenty of reasons. Discuss about incorporates of some features that are not strictly object oriented. Here are the key points, guys. Primitive data types. Java includes primitive data types. Those are all int, float, character, boolean that are not objects. These types are included for performance reasons, as operations on primitives are faster than operations on objects. However, Java provides a wrapper classes, for example, integer, double, boolean, that allow primitives to be treated as objects when necessary. Static methods and variables, guys. Java supports a static members which belong to the class rather than object. These members can be accessed without creating an instance of the class, which is somewhat divides from the object-oriented principle that everything should operate through objects. Main method. The main method in Java is static, allowing the program to start without creating an instance of any class, no multiple inheritance. While Java allows multiple inheritance through interfaces, it does not allow multiple inheritance of classes. This restriction is for simplicity and to avoid ambiguity. For example, diamond problem. Lack of functions as an objects. Prior to Java, 8 functions were not treated as first class objects. With the introduction of lambda expressions and the function interface, Java has made progress, but it still does not treat functions as objects in the same way fully object-oriented languages like Smalltalk to do. Why Java considered object-oriented, guys? Suppose, despite the above limitation, Java strongly follows object-oriented principles, guys. Classes and objects, everything is Java expect primitives data types is encapsulated within the classes and objects. Encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. Java provides robust support for these fundamental OOP principles, guys. Presumably, use the wrapper classes. Wrapper classes is integer, double, and bridge the gap between the primitive data types and as well as the object-oriented programming, guys. Encourages OOP design. So Java's design and libraries encourage developers to think and the program in object-oriented way. Conclusion: Java is object-oriented but not purely object-oriented because it incorporates features like primitive data types and static members that divide from the strict OOP principles, guys. That's the reason Java is not fully object-oriented. Java is the partially object-oriented. That's the reasons, guys. That's all in this video, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.